Welcome to a burst of flavor cooking. This morning I'll be showing you how to make Jamaican Oxtail style turkey neck. And with the price of oxtails going up, this is a tasty and affordable alternative to the traditional oxtail. You will need 2 to 3 pounds of turkey neck, cut in small pieces. Wash the meat in a vinegar water mixture. Once your meat is drained, add 1/4 cup soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of browning, 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, a tablespoon of paprika, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of grated ginger, 12 whole pimento berries, or if you prefer, you can go ahead and ground your pimento berries, 1 teaspoon black pepper. If you want it spicy, add a bit of jalapeno or scotch bonnet pepper, or even some crushed peppers. Rub in all of your seasoning. Add some salt if you want, and then put this meat to marinate for at least 8 hours. Place a pressure pot on your stove over medium heat. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add your meat to the pot. Fry the meat for about 5 minutes on either sides. Pour 4 cups of boiling water into the pot. Cover and allow the meat to be cooked for 30 minutes. In the meantime, prepare a sprig of thyme by detaching the leaves from the stalk. Chop up 2 stalks of scallion or spring onion. Dice a medium onion. Mince 3 cloves of garlic. Cube a large bell pepper or sweet pepper. After the meat has cooked for 30 minutes, turn off the stove and allow the pot to cool before removing the lid. Now add the thyme, garlic, onion, scallion, and peppers to the pot. After you've added the seasoning, cover the pot with a normal pot cover and cook for an additional 20 minutes. Serve it your way and enjoy it. Keep being inventive and creative in the kitchen. And until next time, walk good.